keeps talks about me.
Maybe you should change your name to Crash.
With my Robo-Claw stuck into this ice, there's no way you'll give me the slip.
What if I slip under you? I can see that if I want to skate by myself, I'll have to put the freeze on you Robo hotheads. In a few minutes.
Hopper, have you rescued that baby bird yet?
'Cause we sure could use your help.
I'm trying, but honestly... What? This birdie does not seem to want to be saved. Oh, come on. Dax,